Sunnah way of Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sunnah way of eating. Number 1, wash your hand before eating. Number 2, sit in the Sunnah way. Number 3, say Bismillah before eating. Number 4, eat with your right hand. Number 5, use your finger after eating. Number 6, say Alhamdulillah after eating. Alhamdulillah illadi wa amana wa sakana wa zalana minal muslimin.